So this is a room tour of one of these suites at the Riu in Cabo. So kind of the nice thing is here you actually have like a little private entrance when you come in. You can actually separate this door, block out a little bit of the noise from the hallway, which is nice. You're greeted with a little mini bar, fridge, and it is pretty well fully stocked with lots of beer, water, coffee maker, and some different alcohols. Of course, it's all inclusive, so you can make whatever you want. We'll just give this a little shut just so we can show it. And you can see you got a nice little bedroom area, bathroom area, living room area, full walk-in closet with storage, safe, ironing board, robe, little mirror. And this is nice. I mean, nice little extra area just to have stuff in. Got a full living room, little chair, couch, nice views of the pool and whatnot. We'll get to that in a minute. This TV does rotate around. This whole stand turns, so you can watch TV there or in bed. Coming up here, you got nice little steps to an elevated bedroom area. Nice big bed. I think this is maybe a little elephant. I think it's an elephant. Nice big, I think that's a king size bed. And looks like a little jetted tub. And again, same thing, you've got a door to separate the bathroom, even though it's not really separate, considering there's a full pass through there. Dual sinks. Nice, lots of room. Big walk-in bathroom, toilet, and a bidet. And again, a full big walk-in shower. So you can see the suites here, quite big, quite roomy, and quite nice. I think for the price of this suite, it's actually really good value. Obviously, depending on season and when you're coming here, it'll fluctuate. Here you got a nice view of one of the mini pools on property. And got a nice big balcony, which we'll go out and check out. A nice big balcony, outdoor hot tub with jets, a nice view of the beach. Now, one crazy thing, hopefully we can see it, is these waves. These waves have to be like 30 or 40 feet when they come crashing down. Let's see, hopefully one comes here. Yeah, look at this forming. Okay, so that's not as big. That's maybe only like 10 feet. But I'll put a video out right after this. Here's maybe a bigger one coming. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's got to be 30 or 40 feet. And just even the splash residual is probably, that looks like 15 feet to me. So be very cautious. I would not want to be, like, you wouldn't go out in that. There's no way you'd go out in that. Look at how massive this is. And a view down the rest of the beach. And really cool over there is just on the other side of this is actually the arch, which is a famous Cabo kind of tourist destination. So lots of boats will go out there to look at it, but it looks pretty rough out there today. So not a lot of boats out today. And there's actually some beaches over there you can go to, but again, pretty rough out there today. So it's pretty violent waves. So that is the room tour of the Riu suite lock that up. And we will carry on with the next part of the hotel review.